Where are we, darling? On our epic day of
county tops. We are in Oxfordshire, going to Bald Hill.
We've literally parked at Cowley's Wood, and it is just up here.
And Matt's feeling very at home at this place. The view. Well, we are going to Bald Hill, just saying.
Oh right, I was wondering. Bald Hill.
And there's lots of people, and it looks a lovely place to walk because it's as you come down the M40, and I drive through it as I'm on my way to work to my head office in Reading, and it's the most amazing place, and you drive, the M40 cuts through it. It's beautiful. Oh, we need to come back here and do more walking, I think.
Welcome to Oxfordshire Historic County Top, Bald Hill.
Not very exciting.
No, but it does look like a lovely place, and there's a lot of people here. Nice British bank holiday weather, so everyone's come out walking their dogs.
Dunstable Downs.
Historic county top of Bedfordshire.
And it's really busy.
Absolutely mentally busy. It's what, 4 o'clock? Nearly 4 o'clock? Guy with a great car. Bit new. Great car, nevertheless. There we go. Dunstable Downs. Oh, we could have parked up there. Could have walked even less. This is actually a really beautiful spot. It's just that the spot we're at is not particularly nice.
Early in the morning when it's lovely.
Or in the winter. Dunstable Downs, historic county top of
Bedfordshire. I remembered one. 5 county tops in one day. Right here.
And about 700 red kites.
Yeah.